Good day, my name is Eula, and today's tech tip is text navigation and quick editing for maximum productivity. On Windows, the secret is Control key. To quickly move to the next word, use Control right arrow. To select that word for instant copying or deleting, simply add Shift, Control Shift, right arrow. Now for the Mac equivalent, on a Mac, the Control key's job for navigation is done by the Option key. To select the next word, the command is Option, Shift, right arrow. Simple as that. Using these shortcuts will instantly boost your speed and save you a lot of time over the course of the workday, making editing much less frustrating. Now remember, Control arrow, Control Shift arrow, or Option arrow, Option Shift arrow. Using these shortcuts will help improve your productivity and text editing speed. That's it for today. Have a great day.